Here's a quick guide on how to import brushes onto Clip Studio Paint Mobile. First, what you want to do is find the brush and asset you want to download. Make sure to press the download button on the page and it will be downloading on the transfers in the top right. And once that's downloading, you'll just have to wait for a bit. Here it is downloading. Now for the next step, go open a new project and go on the left hand side or wherever the import tab is for your brushes are. Search up the brush name you just downloaded. Here I just downloaded Mamio brush. Search that up. It should appear the latest one. And you should be able to add the palette and it should appear in your brushes tab. Now for the next step, what you want to do, check out the brush. It should be fully downloaded and it should be in your tab. Now just test it out and see if it works. Here's me just doodling around and that will be most of it. Here's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Here's just me doodling. Make sure to comment down below for any new videos that you would like any tutorials on or guides or reviews. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. It will be really helpful. Thanks for watching.